Christy, we have seen some very interesting ways that people have been getting around traveling, especially those who are surrounded in water. And one of them is a guy by the name of Robert Bazuzzi. He's one of the 20,000 people trapped sort of surrounded by water in Hoboken, just outside of New York City. And take a look at this. See how he got around town.
This is history, Robert.
No up.
You're a sick maniac, Robert. Robert, you sure?
So big.
There you go. There you go. Holy that works. Nice job, bro. Nice job.
All right, Rita, you're right.
Wow.
I mean, but what was he doing? I mean, where was he going to go? Was he going to go find somebody?
That's a
Well,
nice
and the good
practice.
thing is he's in good spirits, at least. He actually was going on a very serious mission, and he blew up, as you can see. It's a blue air mattress that they had in their house. It was the only thing they could think of. He was getting food and water, not just for his family, but for his neighbors. The craziest thing, though, as you can imagine, with an air mattress, and there in Hoboken, where I was walking around yesterday, there's a lot of trees down, there's power lines, I mean, there's some big concerns. And he only had enough air in the mattress to make it one way. And by the time he got to a store, he was basically almost riding on a sheet. And he ended up getting a ride back on a Zodiac. So it was a one-way trip, but he got the ride back, and that was on basically courtesy of emergency rescuers at the Hoboken Fire Department. But he did get food, and he did get water, and he brought it back, again, not just for his family, but for his whole block.